All right, when solving an absolute value inequality, the first thing that we have to do is to isolate what's inside the absolute value. Anything that is outside, we must get rid of first. So the first thing I'm going to do is subtract 8. I get negative 3 times the absolute value of x minus 5 is greater than or equal to negative 15. I still have a negative 3 outside the absolute value, therefore I'm going to divide by negative 3. When I do that, I get absolute value of x minus 5 is less than or equal to 5. I have to change that to less than or equal because I divided by a negative number. Because this is less than, that tells me that my inequality is going to be an and, my compound inequality. The first inequality, all I do is drop the inequality symbol. The second inequality, I drop the inequality on the left side. I flip the inequality symbol and I take the opposite of the number. Then I solve each part. I'm going to add 5 to get x is less than or equal to 10. Add 5 here, I get x is greater than or equal to 0. Because this is an and, I know that I should have between 2 points. So my numbers are 0 and 10. I have x is less than or equal to 10, would be a closed circle on 10, shade to the left. Greater than or equal to 0 is a closed circle on 0 and shade to the right. And the area that overlaps is going to be my solution, which is going to be a closed circle on 0, a closed circle on 10, and everything shaded between. To write my solution, it is going to be between 0 and 10. And because there is a closed circle on 0, that point is included, and I have to use a bracket to show it is included. Closed circle on 10 means 10 is included, therefore I have to use a bracket.